Your Honor, members of the jury, my name is Spiro Liakouris, and I'm representing Brock Parker in this case. I intend to prove Parker's filings for battery, false arrest, and emotional distress against security guard Oscar Boyega, LAPD, and Lucky Findings Pawn Shop. These are the actualities of this case. On October 16th, 2002, my client Brock Parker was shopping at the Lucky Findings pawn shop in downtown Los Angeles. He was eyeing for an amusing engagement gift to give to his brother at his engagement party in Manhattan, New York. Since Brock was feeling very passionate on finding the impeccable gift for his adored brother, he shopped until it was closing time for the pawn shop. This lingering but inoffensive action had exasperated security guard Oscar Boyega, into causing a thrilling amount of hostility and anguish towards the acquitted Brock Parker. Brock has no criminal history whatsoever and is a looming graduate for Minden High School. He has received many honors from Minden, including an honorary Best Thinking Lawyer certificate after competing in a Minden Law program. Following his graduation from school, Brock plans to study at UCLA for law and business. Now it has come to my understanding. My client got into a confrontation with security guard Oscar Boyega and has received multiple cuts and bruises following the incident. About 3 months ago, Parker agreed to engage in a 40-hour community service right after he recovered from his injuries sustained in the confrontation with Boyega. Imagine what might you have done if you had been assaulted by a security guard. With double your weight, not only assaulted by a security guard, but double your weight and self-esteem, what would you have done? Well, the main arguments I will be presenting for my client Brock Parker are exactly why did none of the LAPD officers who have arrived on the scene did not witness Mr. Boyega's brutal battering on Mr. Parker. There is absolutely no excuse for seven police officers to not even spectate a near 300-pound man verbally and physically assailing a defenseless kid over purchasing a few extra items at a pawn shop before closing time. And why did none of the officers interrogate or question Mr. Parker about what had happened given his slightly incongruous appearance following the incident? Today, Your Honor, you will be presented evidence and will hear testimony from my witness, which will leave no doubt in your mind of the innocence of the defendant. Please find the defendant, Brock Parker, not guilty.